So, is this hot enough to do?
This is so small.
Take the temperature and see. Go.
How do we
So go ahead and
this
rubber band.
with
Do the capillary tube getting more. Maybe I should have put that in there so soon. Let me put that back in. We'll get some more. Pour some in. What does that mean? It's not really fast enough for you to tell.
It doesn't make sense. So try and scoop.
Do you want to start? Do you want to test it?
Now, let me know when you're ready now.
How far to the end do we put it on?
That's careful.
On the very end, the end of the tube is side by side with
Split
the
something.
red end down there. No, but wait a minute. Have you filled the capillary tube? You do that first. First step, guys, fill the capillary tube, tap it down, you use that little
We're
wire
trying
to
to
press it down.
just scoop with.
What do we scoop it into the capillary tube with?
No, I didn't even think about that. That's a good
I
question.
mean, they don't really.
What do we do?
Well, here's what you do. Is that the open end?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's how you do it, guys. You stick the open end like this, because that's what we've done in the past. Want to put the
Okay.
lid
So
back
this
on
is
there? Somebody?
Our
Okay,
second.
and now, if you tap it,
Yeah, they're both in
it's going down.
here.
But you didn't get it all down, so you use the wire to get it down.
Okay. This is, yeah.
It's in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay.
So are you using the seal first? That's what we're doing? You can actually stick the open of the tube into it, and you'll cram, you'll get about a quarter of an inch of it
I'll
in
hold
there.
this while you
And you're gonna try to tap it down. You need the wire to push it down all the way.
Okay. so
Be
you-
careful, because the wire could break the capillary tube.
Oh.
That's
Is it working?
wonderful.
so you just-
Yeah.
Well, it could, because it's metal, right?
Can you take it out and tap it?
Do I want to try and tap again?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Try tapping it.
Huh?
Is that quarter of an inch?
I think so.
Is it going down?
Do you want to do it against the table? Come on.
We might be careful.
Yeah, why don't you use the metal, I think the metal wire will help push it down.
Straight. Come on. Work with
So
okay.
what's something about skin irritation?
It's attached to,
What?
you have wire, it should be in here. It should be in here.
Skin irritation. No clue.
We got
Who
some.
cares?
Better have one, oh, I can feel it right here. That was capillary tubes.
Oh, look at
We
it.
got a tiny bit.
Look at the
This
go.
has the
Look
microscope.
at the.
Doesn't have what it says
A
there.
little more.
It has capillary tubes, it doesn't
Do we
have
need
a
more
wire.
in there?
I don't
Let's see
know.
if I can find
This
that.
is a smaller.
It came from this kid, right? Okay, now look and see if this one has
Everything
wire.
with this is.
Ropers don't.
Okay.
Hey, you guys, it's not wire?
Yeah, they're using.
That's close to 5 millimeters.
Maybe we got a little bit at the bottom.
That works.
We're just trying to get to the bottom.
The wire is
Kind of looks like
5
Here, so that works.
You gotta use the wire,
Alright,
don't you?
now we rubber band it.
Here's a little rubber band you can use when you're
Yeah,
going.
we got that.
Here's a small rubber band you can use
Here.
if you wanted to tie it around. You got the wire? They give me the wire or what?
I know, this is the hard part. Okay, that's it.
Now tap it.
You got
Actually, it's a little bit.
Tap it kind of a little harder than that. We can give you.
use some force.
There you go.
Damn.
That one's out.
You want to get at least, if you don't get it all done, it's okay. About a quarter of an inch to the bottom would be good.
That is definitely.
Because a half an inch is 10 millimeters, right? Actually about a little less than a half an inch. So a little less than a quarter of an inch will be 5 millimeters. So you do want about a quarter of an inch if you can get it. By the way, someday when we have time, we'll do this demonstration where you just put a battery in water, put 2 test tubes over, we add some Epsom salts, and see that create hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, it'll be twice as much hydrogen. Did you, well,
I think
you
we
ever
did
see
that last year in biology. It was really cool.
You did that in biology?
Or maybe physical science. I don't remember.
Physical science is what it was.
I just remember doing it. And
Yes.
it was fun. Okay, there we go. Alright. Now,
There you go.
Did you get it?
Keep going, buddy.
Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna get this up hotter. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in here, pour water in your beaker.
Just say as much as acceptable, at least, it's very good.
It'd be nice to get a little bit more down there. if you could.
Taking some water,
Yeah.
boiling. Beaker.
Okay, trying to do this whole
That's-
time.
Okay.
And then try tapping it.
All that down there. Just
You won't get it all down, but good. All right, so where's your beaker?
Right. Beaker.
Beaker.
Glass.
Let me move this out of the way because I don't want to reach across that. And I'll move this whole thing. Okay.
I feel like it's gonna break as soon as it goes down.
No. Oh, well.
If you stick the wire in it and push it all the way down, the wire works really well.
Okay, that's about right, what I did. I hope it's about a little over half. Maybe it's even too much. Because
Sorry.
I touched the side of the glass and burned
Sorry.
myself where the water was.
Just use the wire.
I don't want more than
Oh,
half
yeah,
because
yeah, yeah.
you're gonna add some water to it to cool it
There.
down. So, you're gonna add a lot of water to cool it down, so let me get this down. It'll
Can
be
I have
that
the
much.
money?
Get the honors, Joshua.
Okay, so where's your table? I don't
Can
wanna.
I pick it up? Can you move it to this closer to the side so I can get it under there?
And normally you have a stand to hold it, etc. You don't have that, so
It's okay.
just go ahead and don't immerse it so far.
Alright.
You don't have to worry about that.
Don't
one.
really go in the camera.
But that won't happen. Just make sure it's fully submerged. There you go. And notice the temperature. You gotta observe the temperature when it melts. It'll become clear at that.
It melted. Whoops. That
Did-
melted very quickly.
And what temperature was it?
I have no clue. I did. It melted.
Well, that kind of defeats the purpose. Now, you're gonna get, there's a
So let's
glass of water. You're gonna use that with the pipette. Keep on adding water
Alright.
with it in there until it becomes a solid. You leave it in because it's supposed
I'm
to,
not, I'm
it's
not.
supposed to be a little clear. And then you're gonna add with the pipette, here's the pipette, until,
Oh, for a high five or something?
that's a little pipette.
Yeah.
I wonder if they have bigger ones than this. Thought we did. Because you want to be able to get more water than just a millimeter or so. You know, there's some with bigger pipettes.
And another one.
Yeah, that's kind of small. Didn't I show you guys the pipette? It was a pretty decent sized one, wasn't it?
And Mr. Bruce, can we have some hot water?
Yes, you can, in just a moment here. I'm looking for a pipette for them. Here's a bigger one. That's what you need.
Oh, okay.
Did you
Oh,
find
we can
that?
use that one.
Yeah, you use it.
Well, go ahead, doesn't matter, just use it for water.
Does this,
Okay, who wants,
does this seem good?
Yeah, that one.
Like it's attached to it right here?
it's gotta go all the way down to the very,
You watch
gotta
the
bring
time.
it down to the very bottom.
Changes color.
Yeah, okay,
That works.
okay. This is your beaker, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna fill it up about half full of water.
So then, are we supposed to record it once it's gone, or are we supposed to cool it and then heat it up?
All right. This is a smaller, what's your beaker? Do they have a bigger beaker? They do. Don't you have a bigger beaker? Stop. Well, okay, go ahead and do it, but be ready. As soon as you put it in, it's gonna melt, so we gotta watch the temperature.
Right now it's like 65.
Which is.
Has it turned clear? It's clear already. You
Whoa.
missed it. All right, that's okay.
I thought she thinks it was.
Leave it in there. Now you're gonna add water until it turns hot at a time, and as you add water, cool it down. This is too hot, that's the problem.
So it's, wow, getting up to 80.
Yes.
Okay.
I couldn't see what the temperature was.
So basically you put here,
You don't know what it is,
so the melting point was probably around.
I think we're supposed to reheat
but
it.
you don't know. Let's just be honest, you don't really know. You put a question mark. Now you're gonna get some water. You put some water from that
And then you put
glass
that.
and pour it a little bit at a
Put it in
time
the beaker or no?
in here.
In the-
Yes, add to the water tap. And then when it gets too full, we'll pour some of this out,
Okay.
just so we don't want it to overflow. That's why you need a bigger beaker. You don't have a bigger glass beaker than that? Huh. It's funny, you only have one glass beaker.
obviously.
Theirs is bigger than yours. I'm surprised, is that 50 milliliters? That looks like a 30 milliliter one.
Ours is 100 milliliters.
Oh, it's 100?
It's
Surprise.
At least to that point. We have to slowly, I mean, sure.
Come
You
on.
gotta say 30, right? That looks like a...
Say 40.
Oh, well then it's 50 if you
Would
get
you
all
recommend a
of
Cool.
pipette to pour it in first?
it. Yeah,
Let's
try using a pipette. Because what's the temperature
try
right
to
now?
start pouring.
It's about 75.
Okay, when it gets close, you can pour it, actually, yeah, let's just see. Fill it up and put it all in, because it's gonna take quite a bit before the temperature goes down.
Oh, yes, it will. I can attest to that.
I would say, just add a little bit. What does it say now? Is it going down?
It is
going yes.
down, it's about 60.
66.
So when you get a little bit closer, I'll put it again a little bit.
You're waiting for that to turn down colder, right?
Yes, you gotta be observant when you become
So
white
what
again.
can you use?
When does it become white? There's a solid that's white,
Okay,
as,
that's what
when it's a liquid, it's clear.
It's not completely changed color, but somewhat. What temperature are we at?
Now what do you got?
48. Okay, we're going.
It's already changed. Okay, watch, because it should, it's super cool.
Okay, now it's moving really fast.
Yeah, we're going to 48 though.
Is it
It's
turn
already
on?
partially.
It's still
Okay, so now I'm gonna set this down.
Should be 64 degrees. Oh, cetyl alcohol is 49.
Oh,
So you
we're not
gotta
gonna
get
have
down to
enough.
50.
We're not
So-
gonna have enough to.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We need to get some of this out.
Should we put it into there?
We need a lot more room.
About 55.
Actually, it's 55? For you guys.
Okay.
So we can add a little bit more. Now we're about ready to add more water.
Yeah.
Now, why don't you do this? You go ahead and add some water to it and see what temperature goes up.
Water, please.
Yes, more hot water?
Hold it
Are you
off.
already on the second one?
Yes. More or less.
So hopefully, this would be about 60 something.
But it's still not pouring.
I'm not gonna fill it up that high because
It's
you're gonna have to add water to it to cool it down and then more hot water to heat it up. So,
Okay.
you got the, is that the new one?
This is,
more.
no,
Oh,
we're
maybe?
supposed to heat it up and then cool it off, and we didn't get the temperature of heating it up, so
So
we're gonna
you're
heat it
still
up again.
doing the same thing? this
Yes.
first one? Okay, I thought you were saying you're going right to the
We'll just make
second.
sure that this is completely
It's
cool.
about 50. It's actually you.
And still, it has not changed yet, has it?
No, not yet. It's like there's no any bubbles. It's still clear. I can't see anything.
What's the temperature?
There's
Yeah.
no. For this one.
Okay,
What we say was. Well,
It was 40.
a little bit, just a drop, just a little bit.
Okay. You're gonna watch Trump watch color. Now, ready? Here we go.
Let's see the difference now.
I see it's tiny at the very bottom.
But you only have some at the very bottom.
It's gone.
55.
You need a little more, don't you?
It's 55.
Yeah, probably.
Go ahead.
See, that's, what was that? That was the freezing point?
That was the point.